Okay, this is our lesson 4 English tip. 3-minute English tip, so I'll make it short, but spelling is something that I have noticed is an area we could all improve on. Not all of us, but it's an area that sometimes is harder. One thing that you can do is read over your template that you've typed into before you submit it, and sometimes it's just by reading through it you can catch some of those misspelled words that are wrong. But sometimes especially when learning a new language, they're not words we're very familiar with anyway, so it's hard to know if they're spelled right or wrong. Because English can be weird and things are not always spelled the way you would think they should be. So let me just show you something you can do. If this is the template, this is the lesson 3 template, and I just typed into it the advantages and disadvantages of taking notes with key points. The advantages, and if I get that wrong, of taking notes, I just say notes, by writing. See, that one automatically changed. I did 2 T's. Okay, now that I did it again, it's not going to automatically change it, but some of them it automatically will change it. By writing down key, maybe any points is, okay. So one thing you can notice is this sentence, I don't have the option on my computer, and it might be different in yours, up at the top where you can't see my screen. I come up here and I have tools, and then you'll see this one, spelling and grammar. It's grayed out, so I don't have the option when I'm in the template. So something I can do is after I've typed in my paragraph or my 2 to 3 sentences, sorry, it won't even let me. I'm going to copy it. Maybe. I didn't get all of it, but I'm going to copy and put it into a blank Word document that will show me the errors. So it was the advantage. In your computer, you could go up to Tools, Spelling and Grammar. It's going to walk me through. So this is the spell check. It's going to say, it suggests, the top suggestion would be to do advantage. The advantage of taking, yep, that's what I want, so I want to hit change. The advantage of taking notes, and it's going to suggest I do that one, but that's not the one. I actually want a notes. I'm going to change it to notes. Instead of writ that says writing, it suggests I change it to writing. Okay, so we'll just change it for me. You'll see it changed. Key points. It's going to suggest pointless. That's not the word I was looking for. I was trying to spell points. So I change it to that, and it's complete. Okay, so that it is quick. And see, it automatically capitalized the I for me. Also, like, if I keep going, there's also an option, and I'm not going to have to do, I'm losing my time here, I'm beyond 3 minutes. Tools, I can do some grammar checks, and it will tell me, like, if I have a sentence that needs to, a run-on sentence that needs to be broken down into different sentences, and I'll show that more as we get more into grammar. So hopefully this is helpful so that you can make sure that we're spelling all the words right. Either read through it and try to really identify those, or copy and paste into another Word document where it lets you use spell check. Okay, good luck with that.